Good day, folks. Hello and welcome back to the Sterlinx Global channel. I'm Araful and I'm the founder of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and local businesses. As always, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you are new here, glad you could join us on this lovely day. On this channel, we do a deep dive into different pain points and challenges that our clients usually have, and discuss valuable insights that can help entrepreneurs, self-starters, and freelancers. For today, we will focus on e-commerce companies. So if you are selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and other online marketplaces, then this discussion is for you. Raise your hands if you have considered hiring an accountant for a small business. Well, no? Well, I'm not surprised if you don't have one. Like other small business owners, getting an accountant isn't something of a priority. Before, for me, it wasn't. Sure, I know a thing or two about accounting, so why should I hire now? It's just another expense I can do without, right? However, it's actually a big, let me emphasize this, a huge mistake to forego seeking one. Why? Let me share with you how hiring e-commerce accountants can make your life easier, a lot easier. So, if you're unsure of whether working with e-commerce accountants is the right choice, I will share with you 6 ways how they can ease the burden on entrepreneurs like yourself. It's given that running your business is no easy feat, but as an owner, you always want to be on top of everything. However, being in control of every detail can be exhausting and overwhelming over time. If you have reached your limit, consider delegating some of your workload to a team of e-commerce accountants. These professionals do more than just crunching numbers. They can make your life as an entrepreneur less complicated. Let's count the ways. First, it saves you time and trouble. Whether you are managing one or several online stores, it doesn't discount the fact that you will wear many hats to manage operations. Apart from your daily task, you will probably do your taxes and bookkeeping when you think you can't afford an accountant. Despite having basic accounting skills and knowledge, there is always the risk of errors, inaccurate financial figures, wrong tax amounts, and so on. These oversights can be costly to your business as the face of penalties for non-compliance or violations. In some cases, you may even be subject to an audit. While e-commerce accountants on board, they will take care of the tedious and challenging task, freeing up time you can spend to generate more sales. Moreover, you will have peace of mind knowing that an expert is focused on the details. It's a very sensitive side of your business. You need experts of the industry, not just any accountant, an e-com Amazon specialist accounting firm like ourselves, Sterlinx, on board to sort it out for you. Second, it keeps your finances in order. Doing your own accounting may sound feasible at the early stages of your operation, which you can understand. However, tasks can quickly get complicated as your businesses pick up. Eventually, you won't have the time to manage your finances. But when you work with a team of experienced e-commerce accountants, there is no need to worry over the minute financial details of your business. You don't have to be anxious over losing sight of who owes you, how much, and when your obligations are due. A professional will help you get back on track. Besides bookkeeping though, an accountant can reconcile your bank statements, compute taxes, file returns, and prepare financial reports. Sterlinx Global can even assist you with rebate claims if you have overpaid taxes. Those refunds can go back into the business as additional inventory or capital. Since they have access to your business accounts, they can give you a summary of current performance and health. Is your company earning or losing money? So you have to also do that monitoring of the key factors. Now, monitoring the key metrics and crucial aspects such as cash flow lets you understand financial matters at a glance. Another way accountants make your life less complicated? Well, our third point, it can reduce tax-related concerns and cost. No matter the size of your business, you will benefit from a well-executed tax planning strategy, which is only possible when e-commerce accountants help you. Believe me, it can be such a pain to deal with the government wherever you are in the world. So the least you can do is have someone who will work with you. So going back, with proper tax planning, your business can reduce its tax liability by deferring or accelerating income, or holding off or reflecting expenses. Whatever you choose, rest assured that accountants will keep your finances on track by paying attention on your taxes. Entrepreneurs are usually stressed over taxes since they worry as to whether they are paying the right amount of tax or filing their returns on time. Often, the more complicated their tax obligations are, the more stressful and prone to errors compliance will be. Experienced accountants understand tax laws and continue to be updated on changing regulations. They will, or we will, if you are one of our clients, inform you of the revised rules, ensuring you are always compliant to avoid significant penalties and violations. With the right tools and knowledge, steer clear of unnecessary charges that impact earnings. Fourth on my list is deals with the government on your behalf. When you have a business, dealing with various governing bodies is inevitable at some point. Now, this kind of interaction often leads to stress and anxiety, causing you to lose focus. But if you are working with a team of e-commerce accountants, you can be at ease knowing they already have it covered. Apart from tax preparation, they can also handle the following functions: accomplish and file the required compliance documents, update your business status in the government's company register, prepare and submit annual statements of accounts. Besides paperwork, a good accountant can help should your business be audited. If you're under investigation, they will guide you on working within an ongoing audit, help you respond to official inquiry or review, and carry out tasks to submit the required documents for clearance. Sterlinx Global even has a team of local accountants to help e-commerce businesses with their VAT registration and compliance requirements in the country where they have a customer base. Fifth way accountants help you: gives sound business advice. Many small businesses and lean startups fail at some point. And while it was a learning experience, most would rather avoid the costly pitfalls and preferred to have someone guide them at every stage of their venture. When you bring in an e-commerce accountant, you can expect them to provide advisory services for importing profitability and scaling your operations. Since they work with different businesses, they will have a wealth of knowledge to help their clients work through their financial challenges. Their keen sense of how to run a business efficiently is helpful to digital entrepreneurs when planning and implementing a strategy. For example, you want to improve your bottom line. An accountant can propose price changes along with better cost management. That depends also on if you have the management service signed up with them. These insights, often gleaned from your years of experience, are highly valuable to business owners in sidestepping expensive mistakes. Lastly, helps with decision making. Besides being excellent sources of insights, e-commerce accountants can be reliable sources of support for your business. They are objective since they don't have bias, unlike your friends and family. but at the same time, they know the ins and outs of your company and your accounts. That's why you can trust their opinion, because they want you to succeed. After all, they are your partners in business. Moreover, they can crunch the numbers and back up their advice with figures. They will provide detailed knowledge of your finances to help you decide your next steps. You can ask your accountant to produce key metrics and create financial projections as your guides on whether to push through with an expansion strategy. Before we dive headfirst into our FAQs, let's do a quick recap on how accountants can make your life as an entrepreneur a lot easier and less stress-free. They can help you save time and troubles, keep your finances in check and in order, reduce your tax-related concerns and costs, which can be both overwhelming, deal with government on your behalf. A win-win situation, I might add, and also get sound, not to mention unbiased business advice. Decide the best strategy moving forward. If you are ready to have someone assist you every step of the way, let our team at Sterlinx Global lend you a helping hand. Now, let's answer 3 of our frequently asked questions about e-commerce accountants. When should you hire an accountant? There is no single right time to get an e-commerce accountant. They can help you in any situation and stage of your business development. Some entrepreneurs work with a professional to help them determine the best company structure, create a business plan, or even decide when to sell their company. Second is, how do you find the right e-commerce accountants? Begin your search by asking colleagues or friends for referrals. This approach partly vets potential candidates. Another strategy is to look at highly recommended firms. It's best to work with a firm specializing in online marketplaces like Sterlinx Global, since we already have that experience and expertise. Lastly, is it more efficient to hire an accountant? Yes, of course. If you want to know by how much, picture this scenario. Suppose you are doing your books and it takes you 10 hours to finish the task. If your time is worth £100 per hour, it will cost you at least £1,000 to complete this function. On the other hand, getting an accountant to do it will cost you a lot less than that on a monthly basis, and without the risk of errors. Moreover, you will have better use of your time. So what's today's key takeaway? Working with a team of e-commerce accountants offers many benefits that most small businesses fail to see. Their assistance and advice on financial matters can be pivotal to your business growth, preventing significant losses from missteps. Partner with Sterlinx Global today and see how our accountants can ease your burdens. So folks, we are ending our discussion here. I hope that I was able to let you see how crucial it is to work with an e-commerce accountant. To see how we can help you further, do check out our website sterlinxglobal.com. We have tons of accounting related articles that can help you stay in the know. So if you enjoyed our tips and tricks or want to learn something more similar, please like, follow and subscribe to our media channels. Again, my name is Arful of Sterlinx Global and I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.